We're on the shores of Lake Estes in Estes Park, Colorado, home of the 37th annual Longs Peaks Scottish-Irish Highland Festival. Lake is still calm because it's still morning. There are a few campfires with some smoke drifting up, but we've got a lot to do. We've got tattoos every night. We have bands, we have VIPs. We're going to take a look behind the scenes. We can't forget the jousters or the athletes, both amateur and professional. It's a busy weekend. There's good food, there's good drink. The clans, it's a family fun fest. And we're going to cover it all just for you. Right here from the shores of Lake Estes, almost 8,000 feet in elevation, the Longs Peaks Scottish-Irish Highland Festival. So let's get started.